So it's pretty easy to graph your polar equation using your calculator. I have a little bit different calculator than you do, so what I'm going to do is after I give you the steps on how to use it on the TI-84, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what the graphs look like. There's many polar graphs. I'm only showing you certain ones, but there's many others, and I would suggest to look in your book to see what they all look like. You will not have to graph them on your own. You will be able to just look at them on a calculator. I'm not going to ask you to graph them or recognize what the different types are. I just want you to know how to do it on a calculator to see what it looks like. The steps are, first thing you want to do is you want to solve your equation in terms of R. Because this is some kind of equation now. So if your equation has R's and theta together, you're going to have to get R by itself. The second thing is you're going to use the mode button on your calculator, and you're going to choose polar. So it's POL, I think, but it's polar. And then for the window viewing mode, the viewing window rather, I like to change it later. But for all the ones that I did here, it was -5 to 5 for both. So it was both. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to enter your expression. So it's going to have an R there. You're going to plug in, it says equals, and you're going to put in whatever it is, and then you'll use your trig functions. If you use the X key, remember it's X, T, and theta, you just press that. Usually you got X, now you'll get a theta because you're in polar mode, so that'll work fine. And then you just push the graph button, and you'll see what the graph looks like.